we are discussed about the in the part of first chapter introduction of auditing are also we are discussed, and second chapter the objectives of auditing was also completed in the previous class. Okay na? Before we will enter this type of third chapter, I will give the some of the small short review of the second unit in part of auditing class. The second chapter, what is that? Objectives of auditing. Okay na? In the part of objectives of auditing, we are discussed about the already we are discussed what kind of activity, that is the some of the main objectives of auditing was also discussed. Okay na? In part of main objectives of auditing, the main objectives are classified into two categories. First one is the find out the errors. Okay na? And the second one, find out the frauds. First of all, you should listen already. I have given the some of the introduction of errors and explain the some of the types of errors also. Okay na? And as well as I have given the some of the introduction of what is fraud, and as well as some of the different types of frauds are also classified in different types of classification is there. Already I have given the some of the introduction of the classification of fraud. Okay na? First of all, you should listen. I will give the some of the small introduction of the one of the topic, that is the what is that? What is fraud and types of fraud. Okay na? First of all, we will I will give the some of the introduction of the fraud. Fraud is nothing but the accountant should be do the some of the with plan. Okay na? With plan and with intentionally and with expectedly, the person should be do the some of the mistakes and errors in preparing of the accounting systems in the business organization. That kind of activity, that kind of mistake is also called as the what is that? Fraud. Fraud is nothing but with plan. Okay na? The accountant should be do the some of the mistake with plan and with expectedly, with intentionally. Okay na? That kind of activity is also called as the what is that? Fraud. Okay na? Already the fraud is also classified into three categories. First one, what is that? First one, what is that? Misappropriation of cash, and the second one, what is that? Misappropriation of goods, and the third one, what is that? Manipulation of accounts. Already you know misappropriation of cash. Misappropriation of cash is nothing but the cash whenever in the printing of the cash book, printing of the cash book in part of accounting system, whenever the cash transaction was also completed in the business organization, that is related to the receipts and payments is also arise. On that situation, the accountant should not enter that kind of receipt voucher and as well as payment voucher is also not entered into the cash book. On that situation, the person should be do the some of the mistakes. The person should be do the some of the fraud. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that? Misappropriation of cash. Okay na? Misappropriation of cash is also one of the types of fraud. Okay na? Okay na? And misappropriation of cash means whenever the cash transaction was completed, that type of transaction should not enter into the cash book in preparing of the cash book, in preparing of the cash account, in preparing of the accounting process. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that? Misappropriation of cash. Okay na? In part of misappropriation of cash, the accountant should be do the some of the less cash transactions are also entered into the and also show into the high level cash transactions. Okay na? And as well as the high level cash transactions are also show into the cash book with a low level cash transactions. On that situation, the person should be taken the some of the cash and take the some of the cash in the personal hand and in personal purpose. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that? Misappropriation of cash in the trade చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. Okay na? And another one, misappropriation of goods. Okay na? Misappropriation of goods is nothing but it is also one of the type of the part of the including of the types of fraud. Okay, now misappropriation of goods is nothing but whenever this type of fraud is also arised in transaction of the whenever we should purchasing the products in the business organization and as well as sold to the goods to consumers in the process of the goods transactions. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that misappropriation of goods in the trade. Okay, na? For example, purchasing the goods rupees వచ్చేసి 5,000 rupees. Okay, na? This type of transaction is also entered into the amount of the 10,000 rupees. This is also one of the fraud is also called as the what is that misappropriation of goods. Misappropriation of goods is nothing but the some of the goods transactions in part of purchasing, in part of sales. The accountant should be show the some of the low level purchase transactions are also shown in the high level purchasing transaction, and as well as high level sales transactions are also shown in the low level sales transactions in preparing of the cash book. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that misappropriation of goods. Okay, it is also one of the types of fraud. Okay, and the last one, what is that? Manipulation of accounts. Okay, manipulation of accounts. First of all, you should listen. Manipulation is nothing but some of the fraud and some of the accountant should be show the some of the in preparing of the balance sheet, in preparing of the trading account, in preparing of the profit and loss account. The person should be show the some of the figures, the amount of the figures with the low level amount and as well as amount of figures with the high level amount in preparing of the balance sheet, in preparing of the trading account, in preparing of the profit and loss account. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that manipulation of accounts. Manipulation means what is that? The person should be show the some of the zigzag activities. The person should be show the some of the low level assets should be show in the high level assets, and as well as high level assets are also show to the low level assets in part of and in preparing of the balance sheet in the final account. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that? What is that? Manipulation of accounts. Manipulation is nothing but in the part of the balance sheet in the asset side and the liability side, the person should be show the some of the one of the more than liabilities are also shown, and as well as more than assets are also should be shown in preparing of the balance sheet in part of the final account. That kind of fraud is also called as the manipulation of accounts. Okay, in part of manipulation of accounts, the accountant should be show the some of the financial position of the business organization very good in the situation of the low level financial situation. The financial situation is also should be treated as a high level financial situation in preparing of the goods and in preparing of the balance sheet, in preparing of the trading account, in preparing of the profit and loss account. That kind of manipulation accounts are also called as the what is that? Manipulation of accounts. Okay, in preparing of the balance sheet, in preparing of the profit and loss account, in preparing of the trading account, the accountant should be do the some of the fraud. That kind of fraud is also called as the what is that? Manipulation of accounts. Okay, for example, this financial year we have got the some of the profit 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this type of profit is also should be shown in preparing of the profit and loss account. 2 lakh rupees of the profit. This type of fraud is also called as the what is that? Manipulation of accounts. Manipulation means the some of the what is that? ఉన్నవి లేనట్టుగా లేనివి ఉన్నట్టుగా షో చేసేటటువంటి ఒక యాక్టివిటీ ఏదైతుందో ఆ షో చేసేటటువంటి ఒక మెథడ్ నే that kind of method is also called as the what is that? Manipulation of accounts. Okay, it is also one of the fraud in part of the types of the fraud. Okay, this is the including in part of the second unit. What is that? Objectives of auditing. Okay, today we will discuss about the third chapter. What is that? Types of audits. Types of audit. First of all, you should listen. Auditing means auditing is nothing but whenever the completion of the total accounting process in the process and the total accounting systems in the business organization. The after completion of the accounting system, the auditor was also and is also introduced in the business organization, and as well as the person should be do the some of the examination and verification and testing and checking and all the accounting transactions in the part of the accounting transactions, the part of the accounts in the business organization. Finally, the auditor should be prepare the one of the report on the financial situation in the business organization. That kind of activity, that kind of process is also called as the what is that auditing. Okay, now first of all, you should listen. Auditing is nothing but it should be examination and verification and checking and testing the all types of accounts. That is the journal and ledger and real balance and final accounts. Okay, now in preparing and in process of examination, the auditor should be find out the some of the mistakes and errors, and after finding out that kind of errors, the auditor should be preparing the one of the report, and finally the auditor should be give the some of the result on the financial position of the business organization. That kind of activity, that kind of method is also called as the what is that auditing. Okay, na in the third chapter, what is the types of audit? First of all, you should listen. In preparing of the auditing activity in the business organization, that kind of activity is also divided into different types of categories. Okay, na first of all, we will discuss about the types of auditing. Before discussing the types of auditing, we will know the first of all one of the content. The one of the content is also called as the what is that audit program. What is that audit program? First of all, you should listen. Audit program. Audit program is nothing but it is also one of the part of the including today. What is the types of audit? First of all, what is that audit program? Audit program is nothing but whenever the auditor should be joined in the any different types of business and different types of company, the auditor should be do the some of the plan. Okay, na some of the pre-plan and how to check and how to examine and how to verification the accounting process transactions into the accounting books. So that kind of plan, that kind of process, that kind of pre-plan activity is also called as the what is that audit program. Okay, na including the audit program, the auditor should be record the some of the activities and activities of the auditing system. That is the how many sub auditors are there and what kind of auditing method was also followed in preparing of the examination of the auditing system in the business organization, and as well as and which financier is there and which types of company is there and which type of business is there. That kind of details are also mentioned in this type of activity. That kind of method is also called as the what is the audit program. Audit program is nothing but the before doing the some of the auditing method in the business organization, the auditor should be do the some of the plan. Okay, na how to examine the accounting systems in the business organization. That kind of method, that kind of plan, that kind of pre-plan activity, that kind of pre-plan timetable is also called as the what is the audit program. Okay, na including the audit program, we will discuss about the some of the points are there. The first point, what is that? What work is to be done during the course of audit? First of all, already I have given the some of the introduction of the audit program. Audit program is nothing but the pre-plan activities of the auditor, the pre-plan method of the auditor. Okay, the pre-plan timetable of the auditor. That kind of program, that kind of activity is also called as the what is that audit program. Okay, na in preparing of the audit program, the auditor should be mention the some of the activity. Okay, na whenever first of all today the auditor should be do the some of the checking the and verification of the auditing accounting systems in the business organization. That kind of activity is also should be mentioned in the audit program. That kind of activity, that kind of process is also called as the what work is to be done during the course of audit. Okay, na what work today which work was also completed. Okay, na today what kind of work was also completed and what work we will do the we will examine the preparing in the process of the auditing system. That kind of activity, that kind of process is also mentioned in this type of activity, this type of program. That kind of activity is also called as the what is that audit program. Okay, na? And another point one, what is that? By which member of his staff. Okay, na? First of all, you should listen. Whenever the auditor should be recruited in the business organization, the auditor was also the sub auditor in the part of the auditing systems in the business organization. And the auditor ఏం చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడైతే రిక్రూట్ అవుతాడో, రిక్రూట్ అయినాక ఆడిటర్ మళ్ళీ ఒక తన కింద కొంతమంది చిన్న చిన్న ఆడిటర్స్ ఏం చేస్తాడు, అతను రిక్రూట్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్ is also entered into this type of program, this type of activity. That kind of process is also called as the what is that audit program. First of all, you should listen by which member of staff. Okay, na? The staff details is also should be entered into the audit program. Okay, na? How many staff members are there? Okay, na? Next, how many staff members are also removed from this type of auditing systems in the business organization? That kind of details will also are also should be entered into this type of activity. That kind of activity is also called as what is that audit program. That is the second point. What is that? By which members of this staff, this type of details are entered into the audit program. That kind of is also called as the what is that? Which members of this staff. Okay, na? And another third point, what is the particular portion of the work done? Particular portion of the work done. First of all, you should listen. Particular portion of the work done is nothing but today the auditors will do some of the examination in the accounting books in the business organization. Which work was also completed, that kind of details are also should be entered into this type of activity. That is also called as the what is that particular portion of the work done. Okay, na? Work done means ikkada whenever the auditors start the auditing systems in the business organization, that kind of work, whenever the completion was also entered into the auditing program daily wise part of the auditing system in the business organization. That kind of activity is also called as the what is that particular portion of the work done. It is also one of the point including of the auditing program. Okay, na? And another one, what is the last one? What time frame by any particular work? What time frame any particular work? First of all, you should listen. The auditor, one auditor should be do some of the auditing systems in the different types of company. The company has to auditor should be do the auditing systems in the part different types of 20 companies under Company Act. What is that? 1956. అంటే కంపెనీ యాక్ట్ 1956 ప్రకారం ఒక ఆడిటర్ ఎన్ని కంపెనీస్ కి ఇక్కడ ఆడిటర్ గా పనిచేయడానికి ఛాయిస్ ఉంది? 20 కంపెనీస్ కి ఆడిటర్ గా వర్క్ చేయడానికి ఛాయిస్ అనేది ఇస్తుంది, ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఏది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది? కంపెనీ యాక్ట్ 1956 అనేది. ఓకేనా? మరి 20 కంపెనీస్ ఆడిటింగ్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ లో డైలీ ఒక్కొక్క 20 కంపెనీస్ ఎవరు అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నట్టు ఇక్కడ ఆడిటర్, the auditor should be approach the different types of companies per day. On that situation, what kind of work should be completed in part of auditing system in the business organization. That kind of activities also should be mentioned in the audit program. That kind of activities also called as the what is that audit program. First of all, we should listen last point. What time frame any particular work? What time frame? అంటే for example 20 companies there. Okay na? Today which company we should approach and we should examine and verification and check in the accounting system. That kind of details are also entered into this type of activity. That is also called as the what is that audit program. Okay na? First of all, you should listen. Audit program is nothing but it is one of the it should be reveal the some of the what are the functions are there of the auditor and what are the activities of the auditor was also represented to us. That kind of program is also called as the what is that audit program. ఓకేనా ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ షుడ్ డిజైన్. మనం ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాం, ముందే ఒక ప్రీ ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా అంటే ఆన్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ది ఆడిటర్ వాజ్ ఆల్సో ది ఆడిటర్ షుడ్ బి ఆల్సో do the some of the pre-plan. Okay, na how to examine the accounting systems in the business organization, what kind of method we should follow. Okay, na what time we should follow. Okay, na how many sub auditor staff members are also recruited in the different types of companies, in part of the including part of the auditing system in the business organization. That total details are also pre-planned in the part of the audit program. That kind of activity is also called as what is that audit program. Okay, na? That is the last point. What is that? What time frame in any particular work? This is the some of the points including of the audit program. It is also including the third chapter. What is that? Types of audit. Okay, na? Today we will start this type of topic, and tomorrow I will start the what topic. That is the topic is also called nothing but what is that? How many types of auditing is there, and tomorrow we will discuss about that type of topic. Okay, na? Just wait, I will take the small selfie.